Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the parking function in the Barion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the market button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the parking button. And first you have to add a new vehicle, so click on the button at the bottom of the page. So first give a like a license plate. And then you have to give your country. So it's Hungary, and then you have to give the type of vehicle that you want to add, so if it's a bus, motorcycle or car. And then just click on the save button, and yes, your vehicle is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.